All right, we're back. And technically I'm making this video on a weekend, and that's why I'm still in pajamas. So it is what it is. All right, today we are going to talk about a new type of graph, and that is our bar graph. Now, our bar graph is going to make it easier for people to understand information. The pictograph is good, but if you remember from Friday's video, sometimes the pictures can, like for example, the bananas versus the orange or apples, the bananas were smaller than the apples, so it may have made some people think that there were more apples because they were bigger, even though there's more bananas. So pictographs are fun to draw, but a bar graph really shows information. When you make a bar graph, or really any graph, you need to have a topic. For those in Mr. Prime's class, we did in our small groups favorite games, and I know in other classes you have your own types of graphs. We're going to do favorite color for this one, and I chose 3 for people to choose from: green, blue, and purple. And here are the results from my tallies. So we're still going to use some tallies because that's just the quickest way to get the information. I have 5 for green, 7 for blue, and 3 for purple. Now what I want to do is take this information and put it into my bar graph. I get to use colors, so I'm excited about that. And our category for favorite color means we have to take these, green, blue, and purple, and put them down here so people aren't just looking at some random bar graph. So I'm going to go ahead, put green here, and I'm going to put blue over here, and purple. I'm going to have to turn the board away from me, I apologize. Purple goes over here. And since I have purple in my hand, to fill out this bar graph, you see all these squares. What I'm going to do is I'm going to color in 1 square for every tally. So purple had 3 tallies, so I'm going to color in 3 purple squares. 1, 2, 3. Purple has 3 votes. Let's see. Blue has 7. So we're going to color in 7 blue squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So blue has 7. That's a lot more than purple, and you can just see it easily from this bar graph. There are 4 more people, 1, 2, 3, 4 more people that like blue than purple. Also, it's important to note that I started at the very bottom. I wrote my 3 choices, and I start filling my squares from the bottom going up. You do not start at the top. You want all of your information and data that you collect to start at the same spot. Okay? Last, green. Now I know you guys know that 5 is less than 7, but for this chart it just makes it easier to see. Gives people a visual. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have 5 for green, 7 for blue, and 3 for purple. And again, this just allows people to see information better. So if I were to buy the whole class one type of color, the most people would be happy if I got blue. And if I was buying the whole class purple pens, very few people would be happy because more people like blue than purple. All you have to do is see which one's bigger and which one is smaller to know the answer. All right, We got one more bar graph day coming up. That's tomorrow. So I will see you then. Bye-bye.